Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I got something here today for my soldering iron. I do a lot of soldering, electronic stuff. Needed something to help me as I hold things. It's kind of hard to solder and hold wires together or hold a PC board. So this is called Magnetic Helping Hands. Should work exactly for what I want. It's made by a company called NOEVSBIG. I can't really pronounce the name, but I'll show it on the screen what it is. But let's open this thing up, see what's in the box. So we do have specifications, a thank you, a couple of them. Let's just take all this out and then I'll show you all the pieces. Okay, so here I've unboxed it. This is everything that it comes with. As you can see, all these things are magnetic. This here is a steel plate that everything sticks to magnetically. Really strong too. So they shouldn't have a problem falling over. But it comes with this magnetic ring light. It also comes with this clamp, which can be adjusted all different directions. You tighten down just like this, and then you can stick it on there and just move it around to wherever you would like. So that's pretty cool. And then we can tighten it up. Stick them on wherever you want. Also comes with all these alligator clips here. They got rubber on them. You could take the rubber off if you're dealing with something hot while soldering. It does come with this magnetic ring light, and it has a control here. It is USB, but it also comes with a USB little power supply to plug it into, so we can plug it into 110. It does come with this nice little vise, which is cool. It's magnetic, of course. Everything is magnetic. And you just put that on there and you got a little vise to work with. Really nice. It also comes with some extra pads for the vise. It comes with these 4 pads, which actually goes on the bottom of this metal plate. I need to stick them on. And then it comes with 4 of these alligator clips that are flexible, magnetic. So we can kind of put them wherever we want. So you can kind of just stick them around wherever they want. So it comes with these little stands here that will hold a PC board. They're stuck together right now. They actually have a little groove in them that your PC board would set in right here. So you set these 4 out, and you can take your PC board, and if it has holes, you could actually just set it on the holes in it, like so. It's not going to be as solid on there unless you had 4 holes. This one just has 2. But it does have this nice tip here to hold it on any boards that have holes in them. Otherwise, with those grooves on the side right here, we could set this like so. Set our PC board in here, and then just slide these magnets in like that, and it's going to hold it. And that would actually be more solid than these alligator clips can kind of move. This would actually be really nice and solid on here once you get them pushed in like so. So this definitely makes it nice to hold a piece to go soldering on it, because trying to hold it with, a lot of times I'll take the board and be trying to hold it with a finger and burn your fingers. This is nice, not gonna burn your fingers. Holds it up off the bottom here, and just really handy. I need to go ahead and stick these on the bottom. So we got 4 of them here. We'll just stick 1 on each corner. Not perfectly straight, but I don't guess it has to be. Like that. Now it actually will sit up right like this, and it has a name there, NOEVSBIG. NOEVSBIG. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but that's the name. So now we can plug in this light. We'll put it on here, so it's a nice little ring light, and it's definitely solid. So put it like this, and then wherever your work is at, you can just move it around to shine on your work. So now we'll just take and plug this into 110 volt. Now, as far as our switch right here, it has a power button. Then it has a minus, which dims it down. And it goes off that way too, but we push the plus. That's going to bring it up as bright as it go. Then we have a different color temperature right here. You can have it kind of a cool white or a neutral, just like that. So that's pretty cool. It's actually a pretty bright little light. So it just runs off 5 volt. So now we can just set all of our things on here. You won't want all of them in your way when you're working on something. But if we set the PC board on these, because this would be most of the time what I would use to solder with. Hold the PC board on there. Now you could also use this clamp that comes with it too. So you can put pretty much anything you want in this clamp. It actually opens up pretty wide. So you can put it whatever you want in this clamp and use it, which would be real handy, and it's adjustable. Loosen that nut there, all the balls turn. There's one down here, there's one right here. This is just a 1/4 thread on here. Tighten that down. Now we're nice and solid. And another really handy thing is definitely the vise. So you can see the vise opens up quite a ways. It'll go a lot further than that. It actually opens up really wide for such a small vise. That's about the max where you want to open it, which is quite a ways. And then we can just put some in the vise. And this thing, it's going to be solid because this is, I need to tighten down this little wing nut here. The wing nut on here is so you can actually loosen the wing nut right here, and then you can turn it to wherever you want and tighten the wing nut down. Instead of spinning this and scratching your paint on your base plate. So very cool, lots of different options of clamping different things. These are really nice too. And what these are nice for is you can take them like this here, and say you have 2 pieces of wire that you want to solder together, and we can take the 2 pieces of wire, place them in here, and it makes it where now we can solder those 2 pieces of wire together. So them would be pretty handy for that. Lots of different things you can use. It's not just for soldering. You can use these for a lot of different things. That's why they're called helping hands. Because if you're ever working on something and you always need another hand because you can't do everything with 2 hands, well, that's what these would be handy for. Handy helping hands. This thing here just shows basically everything about a warranty. Instructions tells you about the light. And then over here, all the pieces that come with it, which it was all correct. So very cool. That's it, guys. Really handy little tool. Nice to have. I will post a link down below where you can check these things out. Click the thumbs up, subscribe. Catch you on the next video.